Today, I write a letter to myself. Just me, my heart, and a quiet moment. The world is silent. Only my thoughts speak. Today's story is called A Letter to Myself. It's not just a story. It's a gentle reminder that your effort matters and your dream to learn English is worth it. Now I'll read the story slowly. Follow along in your head and feel the calm in my voice. Dear me, sometimes life feels heavy. You try to learn new words, but they don't stay in your mind. You speak, but your tongue feels slow. And sometimes you think, maybe I can't do this. But I want you to remember, every step you take is progress. Every small mistake means you're learning something new. When you fall, you get stronger. When you try again, you shine a little brighter. I know you have a dream. Maybe it's to speak English with confidence. Maybe it's to travel, to meet new people, to say, yes, I can, without fear. That dream, it's beautiful, and it's yours. So believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think. You are calm even when the world feels loud. You are full of hope even when the path is slow. Be proud of how far you've come. You've learned, you've grown, you've changed. Don't forget to smile at your reflection today, because that person is doing something brave. Learning a new language is not easy. It takes heart, not just memory. And you have both. Dear me, thank you for not giving up. Now let's learn some new words from today's story. Repeat after me, slowly if you want. 1. Amazing. Very good or special. Example: you are doing amazing today. 2. Mistake. Something you do wrong, but it helps you learn. Example: I made a mistake, but I learned from it. 3. Dream. Something you want to do or become. Example: my dream is to speak English fluently. 4. Believe. To trust or feel sure about something. Example: I believe I can improve every day. 5. Strong. Having power inside, not just in your body, but your heart. Example: you are strong because you keep trying. 6. Calm. Peaceful, quiet, and relaxed. Example: I feel calm when I listen to soft music. 7. Hope. A good feeling about the future. Example: I have hope that tomorrow will be better. 8. Proud. Happy because you did something good. Example: I'm proud of myself for learning today. 9. Beautiful. Something that gives joy to your eyes or heart. Example: your heart is beautiful because you never give up. You did great today. Remember, English is not just about words. It's about how you feel when you speak them. This was English DreamWave, where you learn with calm, stories, and positive energy. See you in the next episode.